Dear student, welcome to Agan Public School. Hope you all are doing good. Student, this is a workbook of social science for standard 8. And in last lecture, we have been started chapter number 7 following the Mahatma part 1 and also completed question 1 to question 5 in workbook. Okay, so today we are going to start with question number 6, that is the following questions in 1 or 2 sentences each. So here the first is, why did Gandhiji go to South Africa? You all know Gandhiji went to South Africa to practice law. Second, which were the two main aspects of सत्याग्रह? सत्याग्रह के दो एस्पेक्ट कौन से थे? फर्स्ट इज ट्रूथ एंड सेकंड इज नॉन वायलेंस. सो देर आर टू एस्पेक्ट ऑफ सत्याग्रह. फर्स्ट इज ट्रूथ एंड सेकंड इज नॉन वायलेंस. Now third, what did Gandhiji do on the advice of Gopal Krishna Gokhale? So Gopal Krishna Gokhale advised Gandhiji to tour India to understand the needs and the plight and the condition of the people. Okay, so Gopal Krishna Gokhale advised Gandhiji to tour India to understand the needs and the plight and the condition of the people. Now four, where and when did Gandhiji establish an ashram at Ahmedabad? So Gandhiji established his Satyagrah ashram at Kochrab, Ahmedabad on 25th May 1915. So after 2 years, Gandhiji shifted the Satyagrah ashram to bank of the Sabarmati. साबरमती के किनारे ये आश्रम को फिर after 2 years शिफ्ट किया गया. Fine. Where is the Champaran located and what was it famous for? So Champaran is located at the foothill of the Himalayas in Bihar, near the Nepal. It was famous for its mango plantation. Now 6. Who undertook the leadership of the Kheda Satyagrah 1917 to 1918? So Gandhiji undertook the leadership of the Kheda Satyagrah 1917 to 1980. So Gandhiji ने खेड़ा सत्याग्रह में क्या किया था? लीडर किया था खेड़ा सत्याग्रह को. नेक्स्ट 7 है, व्हाट वर द बेनिफिट ऑफ द खेड़ा सत्याग्रह इवन दो इट डिडंट यील्ड मच रिजल्ट. इतना रिजल्ट नहीं मिला, इतना जितना एक्सपेक्टेशन थी उतना रिजल्ट नहीं मिला. फिर भी खेड़ा सत्याग्रह को क्या बेनिफिट मिला था? सो खेड़ा सत्याग्रह को ये बेनिफिट मिला था कि जो फार्मर्स थे गुजरात के और एज वेल एज इंडिया के, जो फियरलेस बने थे, करेजियस बने थे और अवेयर बने थे, वाइल उसके साथ साथ उसको एक वल्लभ भाई पटेल जैसे एक स्ट्रॉन्ग लीडर भी मिले थे लोगों को. सो द खेड़ा सत्याग्रह डिड नॉट यील्ड मच रिजल्ट. फार्मर्स ऑफ गुजरात एज वेल एज इंडिया बिकम फियरलेस, अवेयर एंड करेजियस. सेकंड पॉइंट इज द मोस्ट important outcome was that the nation found a leader like Vallabhbhai Patel who had an extremely strong willpower. Now 8. Why did Gandhiji call the Rowlatt Act as a black act? गांधीजी ब्लैक एक्ट को रोवलेट एक्ट कैसे कहा उसने? सो द रोवलेट एक्ट ऑथराइज द गवर्नमेंट to exercise the stricter control on the press, arrest without warrant and indefinite detention in the jail without trial. So this act was a complete violence of the fundamental rights and freedom of the expression and speech. So Gandhiji called the Rowlatt Act as a black act. 9. When and why the meeting held in जलियांवाला बाग? सबको पता है कि अमृतसर के जलियांवाला बाग में ये मीटिंग हेल्ड हुई थी. ओके, जिसमें रोलेट एक्ट को प्रोटेस्ट की थी उसके अपोज में, और 2 लीडर जो थे उसको अरेस्ट किया गया था, इसलिए प्रोटेस्ट की थी. और सेकंड थिंग कि वहाँ पे जो मार्टियर्स थे उसको वहाँ पे ट्रिब्यूट देना था. So a meeting was organized on 30th April 1919 at the Jallianwala Bagh in Amritsar to protest against the Rowlatt Act and pay tribute to the martyrs who had been victims of British exploitation, and also protest against arrest of leaders Dr. Satyapal and Dr. Kichlu under the Rowlatt Act. 10. Who were the main leaders of the Khalifath movement? So the main leaders of the Khalifath movement were the Ali brothers, Maulana Shaukat Ali and the Maulana Muhammad Ali. कौन से 2 ब्रदर्स थे? मौलाना शौकत अली एंड मौलाना मोहम्मद अली. 11. What is the non-cooperation? So Gandhiji started the non-cooperation movement. It was the peaceful and non-violent protest against the British government in India. गांधी जी ने नॉन कोऑपरेशन मूवमेंट स्टार्ट की थी, जो पीसफुल एंड नॉन वायलेंट मूवमेंट थी ये। 12. When and under whose leadership was the non-cooperation movement started? So under the leadership of Gandhiji launched the non-cooperation movement in 1920. Okay. Next, 13. Which were the two main features of the non-cooperative movement? So the two main features of the non-cooperation movement were, first is boycott, second is creativity. 14. Which national educational institution were established to facilitate education during the non-cooperation movement? So during the movement, many national educational institutions like Gujarat Vidyapeeth, Bihar Vidyapeeth, Kashi Vidyapeeth, Jamia Millia Islamia, Tilak Vidyapeeth, etc. were established. 15. Why did all the political parties of India decide to boycott the Simon Commission? So in the 7-member Simon Commission, all the members were British. Okay, Simon Commission के जो जितने भी मेंबर थे सारे ब्रिटिश थे. There wasn't even one single Indian representative. वहाँ पे एक भी सिंगल इंडियन नहीं था. So इसके लिए political institutes of India boycotted the Simon Commission. Now 16. With which slogan did the protesters welcome the members of the Simon Commission? So people welcomed the Simon Commission with black flag and the slogan Simon go back. ऐसा स्लोगन नारा लगाया गया था वहाँ पे. 17. Who accepted leadership of the Bardoli Satyagrah? Vallabhbhai Patel accepted the leadership of the Bardoli Satyagrah. 18. Which activists the helped in the Bardoli Satyagrah? So Ravi Shankar Maharaj and Jagat Ram Dave helped in the Bardoli Satyagrah. 19. Why did Gujaratis give the title of Sardar to Vallabhbhai Patel? So the success of the Bardoli Satyagrah gave the title of Sardar to Vallabhbhai Patel. बारडोली सत्याग्रह की जो सक्सेस मिली, ओके, जिससे उसने टाइटल सरदार का टाइटल अर्न किया वल्लभ भाई पटेल ने. Okay, so students, here I end this explanation. Okay, and you must have to fill 1 to 19 question in your workbook with the help of PDF that I send in your application. Okay, and one more thing, and you all finished all your workbook. Okay, अब सबको वर्कबुक फिनिश करनी है सारी. ओके, कभी भी चेकिंग के लिए मैं मंगवाऊंगी आपकी वर्कबुक. ओके, सो योर होमवर्क इज फिल 1 to 19 क्वेश्चंस. ओके, नेक्स्ट लेक्चर वी विल कंटिन्यू विथ नेक्स्ट नंबर. सो टिल द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर, goodbye students and take care and keep learning.